Are you frustrated because your Unity app crashes on boot? You're not alone. Today, we're diving into a common issue that many developers face when building for Android. I completely understand how disheartening it can be when your app fails to launch, especially after putting in so much effort. This issue can be particularly tricky, especially on older Android versions like 4.3. Let's take a closer look at the specific problem. One user reported that their Unity app crashes on boot with an error message stating, "MediaButtonReceiver component may not be null." Does this sound familiar? If so, let's explore the potential causes and solutions. So what does this error mean? Essentially, it indicates that your app is trying to create a media session without a valid media button receiver. This is crucial for handling media button events, and without it, your app will crash. Stay with me. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to fix this issue and get your app running smoothly again. To address the crash on boot, the user should first ensure that the media button receiver is properly defined in the Android manifest.xml file. This is crucial because the error indicates that the media button receiver component may not be null. Next, the user should check the implementation of the media button receiver class. It must extend broadcast receiver and handle media button events appropriately. After that, the user needs to verify that the media session is correctly initialized in the music service class. The media session should not be null when it is created. Finally, the user should test the application again after making these changes. This will help confirm whether the crash has been resolved. Fun fact, did you know that the first Android version was released in 2008? We've come a long way since then, but some issues still persist, like this one. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. One user encountered a similar crash due to defining two media button actions in their Android manifest.xml file. They resolved the issue by removing one of the duplicate receiver definitions, which eliminated the error. Now, let's shift our focus to a different response. An alternative solution provided by another user is to update to Android X. They suggest adding a media button receiver to your Android manifest to handle media button events. Here's a pro tip. Always ensure that your media session is properly configured before launching your app. This can save you a lot of headaches down the line. And there you have it. With these steps, your Unity app should be up and running smoothly. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more troubleshooting tips and tricks.